Introducing MyHaas, a free feature available to anyone on HaasCNC.com. If you are a current Haas owner or machine operator, if you're involved in buying or maintaining Haas machines, and even if you are not currently a Haas user, but want to build and price a machine online, MyHaas has something for you. Monitor machines in your shop with My Machines. Here, you can see all the machines you're responsible for and group them in whatever way you'd like. Operators and supervisors can even create their own groups in a way that makes sense to them. Click on any machine and quickly see your machine's serial number and warranty start and end dates. Scroll down for a complete list of that machine's options, including recent service updates, or with a single click, jump to the product detail page to check specs, layout drawings, even to download 3D models. In the event you need to order a part to service your machine, or if you're looking for a performance-enhancing option, Haas Parts is just a click away. As if that's not enough, our helpful and thorough service website is also right at your fingertips. Here, you'll find comprehensive troubleshooting guides, how-to procedures, videos, and operators manuals for just about every vintage of Haas machine that we've ever built. And the best part is, all of this helpful information and all of these support services are pre-filtered based on the machine you've already selected. The My Haas Connect tab lets you see the status of every Haas NGC machine in your shop at a glance. Scroll through for the current status and last recorded event for each of your machines. In My Quotes, build and price as many machines as you'd like and save them for viewing or editing later. This makes it easy to compare machines and find the one that's right for you. From there, you can send the build and price to a coworker or friend or anyone who might be involved in the buying decision. And when you're ready, send it to your local Haas factory outlet when it's time to move forward. My Haas allows you to be more efficient and manage your shop and your machines like never before. And best of all, it's completely free. Create a free My Haas account today.